Okay, so I just read about this autonomous financial research agent called Dexter. It's fascinating how it learns and plans as it works.
Right? It's like having a personal financial analyst that can think for itself. I mean, it breaks down complex questions into research plans.
Exactly, and it uses real-time market data to refine its answers. But wait, how does it know when it's done?
Ah, that's the self-validation aspect. It checks its own work and keeps iterating until it feels confident. That's pretty advanced.
Totally, but doesn't that also raise the question of what happens if it's wrong? Like who checks its checks?
Good point. The evidence base it uses is key. It has to rely on accurate data. If it gets garbage in, it could give garbage out.
And what about the safety features? I read it has loop detection, that's essential, right?
Absolutely. That prevents runaway execution. It's like having seat belts in a self-driving car, critical for safety.
But isn't there a limit to what it can analyze? I mean, financial markets are super complex and unpredictable.
True, and the complexity can lead to oversimplification. Dexter might miss nuances that a human analyst would catch.
Exactly, it's like trying to navigate a maze with just a map. You might miss the hidden pathways.
Well put, plus, human emotions play a huge role in finance. Does Dexter account for that?
I'm not sure it can, right? It's data-driven, so it could miss trends influenced by investor psychology.
There's definitely a limitation there. We should consider how much insight it can actually provide.
But on the flip side, it can process data at a speed no human can match. That's a big advantage.
True, and if it combines that speed with robust data, it could potentially spot trends before humans do.
That's super intriguing. Imagine how it could revolutionize investment strategies.
Definitely, but what's the risk? If everyone relies on it, could the market become too homogenized?
That's a valid concern. If everyone's making decisions based on the same data, it could create systemic risks.
Right? It's like herd behavior in trading. Everyone following the same lead can lead to drastic market swings.
Hold on, are we suggesting that Dexter could actually contribute to market instability?
That's one possibility. The implications of its widespread use could be huge, both positive and negative.
Well, that's unexpected. I hadn't thought about it that way, so is there a counterbalance?
Well, human oversight is crucial. We still need experienced analysts to interpret the data and make nuanced decisions.
Exactly, Dexter could complement human analysts rather than replace them. It's all about balance.
Agreed. And I think the collaboration between AI and humans could lead to more informed decisions overall.
So if we put all this together, Dexter could actually enhance financial analysis, but not without risks.
Yes, it's like a tool. It's powerful, but it needs to be used wisely to avoid potential pitfalls.
This is such a good example of how technology can both solve and create problems in finance.
Exactly. And this discussion highlights the importance of critical thinking when adopting new tech.
And that leads to a question: how can we ensure the responsible use of tools like Dexter?
Great question. Developing guidelines and ethical standards for AI in finance might be essential.
For sure, an ongoing education for users about the limitations of these tools is key too.
Absolutely. This is an evolving space, and we need to stay informed and adaptive.
I never thought about it this way before. It really challenges my previous understanding of AI in finance.
Same here. It's fascinating to explore the implications of these technologies together.
And it leaves us with so much to think about regarding the future of finance.
For sure, let's keep the conversation going as this technology evolves.
Absolutely, we might uncover even more surprises along the way.
I'm excited to see where this leads us. There's so much potential and caution to balance.
Right? It's this blend of innovation and responsibility that will shape the future.
Exactly. And I love how this conversation brought that to light.
So where do we go from here? What's the next step in exploring AI like Dexter?
Let's dive deeper into the ethical implications next time. There's a lot to unpack.
I'm in. Who knew a conversation about finance could be this engaging?
Right? It's all about connecting the dots in ways we hadn't considered before.
And that keeps our curiosity alive. I can't wait for our next discussion.
Same here. Let's keep pushing the boundaries of our understanding.
Absolutely, until next time, let's stay curious.